cash on me, nigga. 50 bad bitches with me, nigga. And 100 goon, nigga, all dressed in black, nigga. It's Friday night, nigga, and we looking good, feeling good, nigga. We finna shut that motherfucking club down. Fast money in the building, nigga. I'm in the club drinking rosé. I rarely do the Chris. I don't down to do a four-way. I'm flexing on that bitch. Not no Mexican like Jose, who brought me with them bricks. Now I got running back like OJ. That'll kill a nigga quick. In the club drinking rosé. I rarely do the Chris. I don't down to do a four-way. I'm flexing on that bitch. Not no Mexican like Jose, who brought me with them bricks. Now I got running back like OJ. That'll kill a nigga quick. Pass my hoes all like Elway. No cup in any bitch. They ain't check us at the doorway. So strapped up in it, bitch. Popping bottles of that rosé. No chasing any bitch. Keep that cranberry and that OJ. We drinking in it, bitch. Now them down to do a four-way. I'm fucking up a brick. Now I'm just flexing on that hoe, but she gon' fuck me in my clique. Tell my weight you keep it coming. Ain't no stopping in it, bitch. My whole clique been doing numbers. Fast money in it, bitch. We just mobbing my SO, my Migo and my Ace. We drink rosé by the bottle, so we order by the case. Plus my bitch look like a model from my ass up to her face. So if your bitch don't wanna holler, bet my bitch will make a break. But we just coolin', no reason. We didn't come here for your hoe. And if she looking like she need it, I'ma give it to her hoe. She just smiling for no reason. She jockin', it's a go. And I'm a bad boy like Diddy, so rockin' with your hoe. I'm in the club drinking rosé. I rarely do the Chris. I don't down to do a four-way. I'm flexing on that bitch. Not no Mexican like Jose, who brought me with them bricks. Now I got running back like OJ. That'll kill a nigga quick. In the club drinking rosé. I rarely do the Chris. I don't down to do a four-way. I'm flexing on that bitch. Not no Mexican like Jose, who brought me with them bricks. Now I got running back like OJ. That'll kill a nigga quick. Ain't nigga Magic City trickin', going loco with them bands. Don't just flexing on them bitches, got them happy just a dance. You should see the signs I'm getting, put their hand out in my pants. Face down, ass up, she clapping in the 3-point stand. And I'm posted in the VI, my table next to T.I. With a stack of 20 bills, I swear to God it than a knee high. No fresher than a motherfucker polo with the Levi. No stunting on them hard, I made them valet park my G5. Just call my partner Raw High, like bro I brought the bar. And I can't tell them even know why, but they treat me like a star. And I got bitches out their ass, they just fuck me for my car. No consistent with the pad, throwing them bitches like Brett Favre. And it whatever, whenever, I put this on my G. Like my Gucci pants and sweater, I'm surrounded by them G that do whatever, to whoever. So you best to keep it peace. I'm in the club, stunting hard, tell your big to fuck with me. I'm in the club drinking rosé, I rarely do the Chris. I don't down to do a four-way. I'm flexing on that bitch. Not no Mexican like Jose, who brought me with them bricks. Now I got running back like OJ. That'll kill a nigga quick. In the club drinking rosé, I rarely do the Chris. I don't down to do a four-way. I'm flexing on that bitch. Not no Mexican like Jose, who brought me with them bricks. Now I got running back like OJ. That'll kill a nigga quick.